Hey, I always want to come back for a healthy debate because I will win. I win pretty much every debate because I base my life in fact and reality. Facts and reality. I know it's a tough place to live, but it's nice because you know you're always right. Living with facts and a little touch of reality. Sometimes it feels like we're living in the Matrix because we might be, but if the Matrix is our reality, that is reality, and I live in it. So let's talk about this last comment. I was talking about yesterday how the market crashed in 2008 because of Bush and the Republicans who were in power, and they let the bankers rip you off, creating products that were supposed to make you money that almost brought down the entire planet. Capitalism was over. In January 2009, January 20th to be exact, 2009, who came into power? Obama, shamalama ding dang. And what was the market doing still at that time? It was still meandering around, licking its wounds. And then the Obama, shamalama ding dang market algorithm, we never go down rally began on March 9th, 2009. Who was the president? I'll give you time to go Google it. You want to debate with me? Come at me with facts. You want to debate about how the price of oil works? I will school you. You want to know how the market works? It's all price based algorithms. That's why I'm the greatest trader of all time. It's taken me 30 years to realize I know shit. And now that I know nothing, I'm the greatest trader on earth because I just accept that every day. And instead of myself saying, why is this happening? Why is that happening? I say, who gives a fuck? I'm in. You think I'm excited about buying Hood today at 15.38? Not really. I was in the stock at $10 the other day. Here I am buying it 50% higher from where I was in it the other day. But the getting is good. The charts that tell me 1538 is going to get us 16 and a quarter. Guess what? 1538 got us 16 and a quarter. Payday. My man, you love the MVIS, right? Yeah. I wish I would have bought it when you called me. I didn't. But I bought it today. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. MVIS. Yes, that MVIS. So yeah, what gets people in trouble in this market is that after you've missed an 11-day rally from hell, like we just did, on that 12th day, you start saying to yourself, man, maybe I should get involved. No, you missed it. The easy money is over. Now you got to go back to the hard money. The easy money's over. QQQ 329.50 to 366.20. That's the easy money. And that was some monster ass move. And it's already happened. The easy money for 2022 has been made. We had a crash. It was a well telegraphed crash. It was fantastic. We all made money trading UVXY long, except the one guy that said I was an asshole for suggesting it. Yeah, okay. 1178 to 2250. I'm an asshole. And we got short, and now it's back to 12 and change. But the reason I'm coming back is that I want to have a healthy debate. Somebody called me a racist. I don't know if you were joking or not, but it's worth a conversation. I'm a racist because I said Obama was the one that saved the market. If anything, it's the opposite, right? Or if, well, again, I don't know how racism works anymore. Everyone's a racist, right? We're all racist. It doesn't matter. But the point is, you're so wrong. The market rallied from March 9th, to be exact. I was there. I remember the day. I was like, oh shit, look at that pivot. Let's buy stocks. And they called it the fucking Mark Haynes bottom. Don't you remember? He says, hey, the market looks pretty good here. So did I. I don't get any credit for it. You know why? You know what happened that day also? GE. I remember it like it was the other day. GE that day, there was rumors of them going out of business. And I said, okay, that's it. The market's already been destroyed. And now they're saying GE's going out of business. Nah, this got to be the bottom. And that day, we had the reversal. March 9th, 2009, Obama, Shamalama Ding Dang rally began. Qs 2650. In since. Don't tell me my business. So anyway, if you still haven't noticed, I'm buried on YouTube. I don't know if my commercials are running, if you haven't seen one yet. Apparently they're out there. We're gonna probably form another YouTube channel to get that one. We're gonna play by the rules and try to get me out of the dungeon. But I kind of like it down here. The hardcore followers know where to find me, right? And if you haven't come to my website yet, I mean, you're just doing yourself a disservice. Today, the greatest trading day in the history of mankind. 19 for 20. I mean, and these trades were ridiculous. Hood, MVIS, Tilray long, Tilray short, Tilray long, Tilray short, and then Tilray long. HYMC short. We had Uber long, Play long, Qs short, then Qs long, UVXY short. Just one misstep the whole day. And you know what I've been doing to myself, my friends? It's days like this where I say to myself, wow, it's a good day. I probably should have done 10 times better. And what I've been doing to myself, to be, completely transparent, is I've been fucking myself in the middle of the day, because it's called the makeup trade. It's almost like a revenge trade. The makeup trade is even worse. You say, oh, I had a good day. You look at your P&L and you're thinking, man, you know what? All right, I'm up 880. Let me just make another $120, $120 to get me over that $1,000 mark. And here you are searching for something to do. You're trying to make up, because making $400 on this hood trade, that sucked. I was in this thing perfectly. To make $400 was bullshit because I didn't have any size. Tilray, I put size on, but stock wouldn't do it when I was in it. And then I traded less size. And of course, that trade worked. So then I look back and I'm thinking, this should have been a much better day. So instead of pushing the issue, you say to yourself, this should have been a much better day. I'm over here now. Because what I've been doing to myself is this. Man, I got to try to make another couple of good trades here. I should have done a lot better on those trades that I did. Oh shit, a loss. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm going to add to this trade. I'm not taking this loss. Oh, I'm not taking this loss. All right, let me find some. Oh, now I lost money. Oh, now I'm only up $650 for the day. Now I got to make back that money, and plus now I'm trading when I don't want to be trading. That's it. So the way to survive is you gotta get the hell up. Trading between 11:45 and 3:15 sucks. It sucks. And why people lose money is this moment right here. Man, I should have made $6,000 on this Tilray trade. I should have done $3,000 on this hood trade. Man. All right, let me try to make something happen. Oh, loss. Oh, loss. Oh, why am I still here? And then you're leaving like a loser instead of leaving a little frustrated, but with money. And that's what I've been doing the last couple of days. Last Friday, I fucked up my whole day and then some, because I just wanted to make something happen in the middle of the day and there was nothing going on. And I kept pushing and pushing. Next thing you know, I traded I must have traded, I don't know, 60,000 shares of Tilray, and it wasn't even moving. I was trying to, BBIG. I was trying to make something happen. BBIG never moves when I'm in it. I have to accept that as part of my life now. I will never make money ever in BBIG. So what do? Do I go, oh, it's breaking new highs. Let me buy it now? No, I just will never, ever trade that stock ever again. I'm 1 for 600. Why would I go back? Why do we go back? Because when something beats you, you want revenge. You want to get back at the inanimate object that fucking took your money. But there's sometimes, and this is a big part of trading, some stocks just own you. Whatever is the way you trade, it doesn't gel. And BBIG, I've lost more money on this $3 stock in the last 2 weeks than I've lost on any other trade because I buy 8,000 shares, 12,000 shares, and it never, ever, ever, it never fucking moves when I'm in it. Ever! What am I supposed to do? I'm going to keep going back and keep losing more money? No. I wipe it off the screen. The stock does not exist to me anymore now. I've lost money every day for 2 weeks in a row now between 11:45 and 3 o'clock. You think that's a trend? When something happens every day, that's kind of what a trend is, right? So if that trend is a negative trend, what do? You're going to keep fighting it? No. Get up. Go do something. Day's over. I am not pushing the issue. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I have lost money every day in the afternoon for the last 2.5 weeks. Ridiculous. Ain't going to happen anymore. I ain't trying to impress anybody. Because I remember when I started this chat room whole business, right? There was a guy that got me on. It doesn't take me a lot to go on tilt or get what the word is, triggered. It doesn't take a lot for me to get triggered. What used to trigger me was this comment. Well, Kenny, if you're such a great trader, how come you can't find winners in the middle of the day? You're so good. You're a fraud. Find me a trade at 12:15. And that used to get me bent. But now I say, go fuck yourself. I went 17 for 18 between 8 o'clock in the morning and 11:45. Go fuck your afternoons. I don't got to impress you. I trade when the getting is good, not when it sucks. Trading in the afternoon sucks. I'm going to sit here, try to find an idea for you. Fuck off. So if you're still out there, that's for you. And by the way, Kurt, if you're still out there watching my videos, since you left, the QQQ break-in VWAP trade has worked 975,000 times out of 975,008. So the trade has worked pretty much 900,000 times out of 900,008. It's only not worked 8 times. You were part of those 8. Go back to the trade that works. You know, I bring Jimmy up and Kurt and Baba Booey and whatever the other idiot's guy's name is that, you know, make these ridiculous statements on these videos or these criticisms or they blow their accounts up. It's not about me. I'm just trying to open people's eyes to what's happening. VWAP's the only way to trade. It tells you when to be in. It tells you when to be out. It tells you what side of the market to be on. It tells you where we're going. There's nothing left in trading to know. Where do I get in? Where do I get out? It's right there. The only time you lose money is when you force the trades. Like right now, Tilray. It's at 835. I'm not happy about that. I was long 6,000 shares earlier at 785. I sold at 791, 795, and 812. Sure wish I had some. Sure wish I still had some Tilray right now at 836. Am I buying it back now? Fuck no. Because I don't trade after 12 o'clock. This stock could go up to $12 now. I'm not buying it back because every day for the last 10 days, I've lost money trading between 11:45 and 3:15. I ain't having any part of it. And that's called discipline. You think discipline's fun? Look at my face. You think I'm having fun right now? I'm not having any fun. I hate being disciplined, but that's the point. Once you lose your discipline, you blow up days. I was up $1,200 on Friday. I wound up down $3,000. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Pushing the issue, trying to force trades. And then later in the day, they all worked out, but I was too busy getting my ass kicked in the middle of the day to even really participate in the last half-hour rally that we had. No more. No more. Just walk away. It's a casino. There's no other way to describe this. It's a casino. VWAP is giving you an unfair advantage and helping you fight the rigging of the casino. The VWAP is the ball with the magnet on the roulette table. VWAP is the counting of the cards at the blackjack table. And as Tilray breaks new highs, I'm just going to have to leave because motherfucker, fucking stock. I've traded got to be 250,000 shares at Tilray in the last couple of days. Every time I have 1,000 shares, I make money. 3,000, all right. Over 3,000, for some reason, the stock stops moving or I get stopped out. Had 7,000 the other, what I have today. I had about 6,000. At least I made some money, but I didn't make the money that I should have. But this is what I'm talking about on Tilray. The stock came back, right, to where I had it earlier. And what did I do? I wasn't watching it. By the way, it's rocking right now. You know why it's going up right now, right? Me. This is what we call the salt in the wound trade. Of course it's going to go to 850. What'd you think it wasn't? Oh, man. Guys, listen. I've seen this market. I've seen this story. I've been here before. Usually I'm still short because I never want to give up on my bearishness. 2012, 2013 changed the way that I trade. I will never be caught short again, ever. I'd rather take a small loss than lose my home. And I know when not to ask questions. UVXY starts to plummet, bull market's back. Late day buying, bull market's back. When shitty stocks start to rally 20%, bull market's back. We got all of that. Bull market's back. Now, whether or not we go where we go from here, that's another story. Because the move that we just had from the lows of the triple bottom, 317 and change on the Qs, to where we are right now, I thought it would take till July, maybe August. I was in that camp. I was the U-bottom camp because I'm a bear. I'm a bear that believes the market will never actually continue to go down, right? But I didn't think we'd get another V. I thought it would be more like a meandering U and then start to rise. And I thought 360, I thought 366.67 was my target. I didn't think we'd get there in 10 days. And here we are. I'm still a little bewildered. But I'll tell you something. This is why being liquid is fun. Because whatever happens next, I'm going to participate in it. And that's it. All right. Be careful out there, my friends. This is the greatest trading market ever. If you're not making money, you better come hang out with me. I'll save you. This is it. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get better than this. No way, no how. VWAP's working, pullbacks, everything is working right now on every stock, every sector, every time frame. We are living in the greatest time ever. And you would never want to say that out loud to certain people. How could this be the best time to be alive, right? World War III right there. Worst president ever? Second worst president. Maybe third worst president ever. He's up there. Society crumbling. Governments serve no purpose whatsoever. Crime running rampant. Everyone's afraid to enforce the law. Society's breaking down. And it's a good question to ask yourself, why the fuck is the market going up right now? And then you bring it back to this moment. Who cares? There is no why. The why will prevent you from making money. Because I'm with you. What the hell is this market doing going up right now? Really? I don't know. I don't care. I'm in. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how we just rallied 50 freaking points in the Qs, man. 50. I could name you 50 stocks right now that are probably up 50% or 100% off those lows from 10 days ago. It's incredible. And it's all much easier to navigate when you're sitting in cash. Oh, wait, one more thing. Now that I've won the debate about when the rally started, it was March 9th, 2009, and Obama was the president. Get it right. So what else can I debate about now? Wait, I had another debate. Oh, the UVXY, I won that debate too. Oh, right. Where's my friend? Thanks for the naked puts on the Qs. You're okay now, right? You didn't get out of the naked put at 250, did you? Because that would have been a panic move, right? If you're selling a put, right, the idea is you're going to hold till expiration or you're going to be put that stock. And wait for it. Wait. June 250s. June 250s, we sold them at 350. I know they were at $6 and you were shitting in your pants for about a week. They're at 76 cents now. Thank you. No, thank you, Mr. Accavano. No, thank you, Mr. Accavano. Mr. Papa Giorgio? Yes, Mr. Papa Giorgio. Of course, Mr. Papa Giorgio. You see that, Tilray? This is what I do for my people. They're all buying the stock right now. I know you are. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I can't make Tilray go to like $50 today, but I can. Guys, you guys are nailing it. I've been talking Tilray this whole time. Yeah, I don't want to ruin it for you guys. Shh. I was going to buy it back, and I know you guys are in it, so I decided to let it go. Look, you know where your stop is, right? 843, all right? but you sell up here. This is what I have sacrificed my mental well-being for everybody else. I don't think people appreciate it. I never was a normal person. I was always a weird guy. I was always a, again, I like to speak my mind. I don't know how to be subtle. I never had drama in my life because I would cut right to the chase. Some of the girls when I was younger really didn't appreciate that. I don't know how to be subtle. I would come right out, tell you how I feel. If you like me, let's go. I've always lived my life like that. What the hell was my point? Oh, right, not being a normal person. But this trading will drive you nuts. Because what I was just doing, and again, I knew these guys were in the Tilray. I didn't want to mess around, but I've had a really rough time trading in the afternoon lately, if I haven't mentioned. And I saw Tilray coming out of the bottom range. And I knew, again, I missed it on the VWAP break and the multi-day VWAP break and the consolidation break. So there was no way I'm buying it, even though the charts are telling me to buy it. That's just me because my bad luck. But I made that announcement and look what happened to the stock. I'm telling you, man, I can move stuff. I could ruin it for you too. I don't want to ruin anything for anybody. But I got to tell you something. I'm being completely straight up. I have been getting spanked in the middle of the day because of the makeup trade. The makeup trade is worse than the revenge trade. It's equal. The makeup trade is when you're on tilt. And I was just talking, I got to say this part again. You look at your P&L, you see some of the trades that you did, and then you have that woulda, coulda, shoulda moment. Man, if I would have done this, I could have done that, I should have done this. That conversation is evil, and I have it with myself every day because you're not human if you don't have that conversation. Nobody here's a robot. I look at my hood trade, I look at my Qs, I look at my HYMC, I look at my Tilray, I look at my other trades, and I say to myself, you know what? It was a good day, but I should have done this, I should have done this, I should have done this, I should have done that, and I should be up this. And then what happens? You want to put another trade on to make up for the woulda, coulda, shoulda. Right there, get up. Get up right there. That's your pivot. That's your pivot point. If you're only about to try to put a trade on to make up for trades that you didn't do, you are about to lose. Get up. And that's where I'm headed right now. I am getting up. I am not putting on trades. I am not going to blow my day again. I blew my day on Friday like I have never seen what a stock was. $1,200 down to $3,000 loss, and I scraped some of it back at the end of the day. Just awful. And I had 3 of those days in 10 days. Ain't happening today. Hell no. Sure, I should have done much better on these trades. But if I don't put any money at risk right now, at least I get to keep what I got. All right? All right? Everybody all right? We're going to do this again tomorrow. And then the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Forever. We're never going to be on the wrong side of this market, ever. Because once we sell, we're free. Once we cover, we're done. I got Zippo to be concerned about, except for Sophie. I got some Ford. I got some Clove. And all of those positions, we're talking about maybe 10% now. I was at 98% cash, but some of these things started appealing to me. And again, I got to tell you, BR freaking CC. I own the stock, and yeah, I'm afraid to own it, but I will buy more of this stock. And I'm telling you, please, I'll give you my phone number again. I want somebody to call me. I want to see if anybody's actually going to do this. If BRCC is above 2280, call me. 917 521-4827. I'm not kidding. This is Black Rifle Coffee. And remember, got to make my $50. Hold on. You guys ever see this bad boy? Woo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got to make my $50. You like black coffee, guns in America? Black Rifle Coffee's for you. In case you're... I had to blop that last part out. That was me censoring myself. Not allowed to say that part in public anymore. You know what I said. All right. Be careful out there, people. UVXY is waking up. I still think this market has potential to actually end up flat today. We got to where we wanted. I'm telling you, people, this market just did in the last 11 days what I thought it would take 4 months to do. That's something. That is something. I thought we'd be meandering around, chopping, freaking people out. I thought we'd have another sell-off, trap some more shorts. We just went from 317 to 370.75, which is $1.50 above my target that I had for maybe the end of the year. So this market has made some moves, and a lot bigger than I thought we'd ever see on this move. So right now, I think we have to consolidate this move. We have to. I know there's no have to in the market, but if this market's going to sustain itself up here, you better consolidate up here between the 360 and the 369. You stay in a 9-point range for a couple of weeks, then it makes the next leg up more sturdy. But for now, I've sprinkled in some naked puts on some of these stocks that I like, but I'm not going to go full. You don't go diving back into the market after an 11-day rip your face off rally. You just don't. All right? Be careful, my friends. Be careful. I'll see you guys in cyberspace.